In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the ElevenLabs Voice ID. We'll keep things straightforward and easy to understand, ensuring you can follow along without any confusion. All you'll need is a few minutes and a bit of patience as we walk through this process step by step together. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you feel comfortable with. Once your browser is open, navigate to the ElevenLabs website. Making sure you have a stable internet connection will help this process go smoothly without any unnecessary interruptions. Once you're on the website, it's time to log into your account. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. This typically involves your username and password. If you happen to have multiple accounts, ensure you're accessing the correct one for this specific task. With successful login, we need to locate a particular section of the website that will help us further. If you head over to the text-to-speech section, there's something specific we'll be looking into. Keep an eye on the right sidebar, which often houses various settings and options you might find useful. Here you should see an option labeled Voice, accompanied by a drop-down menu. Now go ahead and click on that drop-down menu. What you'll be accessing here is what's commonly referred to as the voice library. This is essentially a repository where numerous voice options are available for you to choose from. Once you've found a voice that catches your interest, there's one more thing to do. Next to your selected voice, you'll notice an ellipsis, which is generally represented by 3 dots. Click on this ellipsis to reveal more options related to this specific voice. You're almost there. In the additional options, you should find an option to copy the voice ID. Click on this, and voila! You've successfully obtained the voice ID you were looking for. This voice ID is a unique identifier for that specific voice, allowing you to use it as needed for your various projects or applications. Before wrapping up, here's a quick tip. Keep this voice ID somewhere safe, perhaps in a document or a note, in case you need to reference it later. It's always a good idea to stay organized, especially when working with multiple voices or projects. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to find and copy an ElevenLabs Voice ID. I hope this walkthrough has been clear and helpful. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.